Why so serious? Listen.
Hello and welcome everybody to the second episode of Spookiness on the Theatre Guy. I hope you're all having a smashing day so far. Today I'm going to show you guys how to do this really cool Joker makeup. And as always, the list of things you'll need will be in the description below. So without further delay, let's get into it. First things first, you guys are going to take a light green spray paint and spray your hair. I would recommend doing this outside, just so you guys don't make a mess inside the house. Next, you guys are going to take a dampish cloth and clean all the way along your hairline where you've sprayed over with the hairspray. We need our face to be as clear as possible for the makeup. You guys will also notice that I only sprayed the front of my hair, as because of the rest of my hair and my ponytail I'll tuck in the back of my shirt. And it's just really for you guys to get a feel for the makeup. Next, you guys are going to take just a touch of water and smoothen your eyebrows. You guys can also use an eyebrow brush to comb them back if need be. For those of you with already smooth eyebrows, you guys can move on to the next step. You guys are then going to take your white face paint and makeup brush and start painting along your hairline before we paint the rest of the face. Remember to blend upwards and into your hair as you guys go. Then, after that, you guys are going to start filling in your face. Start on your forehead. Raise your eyebrows to create lines on your forehead, then paint upwards, flowing with the skin to sort of create these faded lines that Joker has. Also remember to leave space around your eyes for the black makeup, sort of like a Jack Skellington look. After you guys have painted the top part of your face, you're going to then take some Vaseline and just apply it to the side of your face on your cheeks where we're going to apply the prosthetics now. Don't you guys worry, our prosthetics are just a simple recipe of Vaseline and baking flour. Just the combination of the two makes a very good modeling wax. The exact ingredients and ratios for this DIY modeling wax will be in the description with the makeup list. Once you guys have put Vaseline on both sides of your cheeks, we're now going to start applying the wax. First we're going to take our modeling wax and break off a small piece just to create this scar that the Joker has on the bottom of his lip. Here's a picture of Heath Ledger with just the scar makeup on for reference. First take your piece of modeling wax and make it into a small fat worm like so. Then apply it to the corner of your lip and start spreading the edges as seen here. If you guys get the ratio right of this wax, this should be very easy. Next we're going to take another small piece of our modeling wax and join it to this piece, then spread out the edges like so. After you've joined the two pieces, take the back of a paintbrush or your eyebrow brush and start making little indents on the clay. We want to create this sort of scar tissue look as you see in this picture. Then we're going to apply this other little piece of wax for the other little scar under his lip. There we go, that looks pretty good. Next we're going to take a fairly big piece of modeling wax to create this long scar he has running up the one side of his face. There may be excess as you guys spread it up your cheek, but of course it's better to have more, too much than too little. Okay, so once you guys have successfully applied the last bit of scarring, you're going to take the comb side of your eyebrow brush and you're just going to make an indent all the way along up on the inside. Okay, so I totally forgot this step, but before you go ahead and paint the rest of your face white and over the scar, you must just take a liquid foundation that is your skin tone and go over the scars with that so it matches your skin tone. Just so that after you've painted it white, if there is a bit of fading, which there should be, you're not going to see that funny Vaseline color. You should see your own skin tone color, which is what we want. So make sure you guys don't follow my mistake and miss the damn step. So once you guys have done that, you guys can continue painting your face, the rest of your face white, along with your neck. Okay, and there's how it should look. As you guys can see, the foundation step makes quite a big difference, especially if you miss it. Next, we're just going to take some baby powder and just lightly dust over everything we've done so far, just to seal everything in nicely. Okay, then next we're going to take our black eye pencil and start colouring in around our eyes. You guys can draw a line like I'm doing here, just as a guide. Okay, so now as a bit of a hack, we're just going to take some black lipstick and then fill in our lines with the black lipstick because this could use a lot of black eye pencil, and especially, you know, to wash it off is going to be a nightmare. So at least this is a simpler option. Okay, so once you guys have gone ahead and colored in around your eyes, you can start smudging the black makeup outwards like so. You guys can also just touch up and darken with your eye pencil where needed. Okay, so now we are going to apply our lipstick. First, start by drawing some red guidelines with the lipstick along your scars, and then apply it to your lips. You guys should preferably use a really crimson lipstick for this. The redder the better. Okay, so once you guys have finished applying your lipstick, we're going to take some red paint and just go over our lips and our scars, just to accentuate everything we've done so far. You guys could even use regular old acrylic for this, because the cracking will also help accentuate the scars even more and make them seem more eerie. Okay, and there we go. Now you guys just throw on your Joker costume and you're ready for trick-or-treating. Thank you guys so much for watching. If any of you found this video helpful, please make sure you tap that like button and hit subscribe down below to stay up to date with all our latest content. And if any of you do want to use my makeup tutorial, please be sure to tag me in your photos at CalebMayer_the_theater_guy. I'd really love to see what you guys do with the makeup. Well guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Hey guys, thank you so much for liking, commenting and subscribing. If you guys would like to see the next video in this series of spookiness, you can click right here, or if you'd like to check out one of my other videos, you can click right here. Also, if you guys want to subscribe to me, the Theater Guy, for more awesome content just like this, you can click right here. Well guys, cheers for now, and I'll see you in the next video.